Learning to Subtract, Part 2 by Jeff Simpson. Give the students a piece of paper with 10 numbered objects on it, like this, or this, or this. Or have your students draw their own numbered objects. These pages with numbered objects will be used as manipulatives on paper to rapidly construct and reconstruct amounts. Even though the manipulatives on paper are two-dimensional, students actually experience them as if they were three-dimensional, like cartoons on TV. The advantage of manipulatives on paper is that the objects are numbered. Three-dimensional manipulatives generally are not. So the students actually see the numbers that are usually just talked about. Also, the manipulatives on paper can be taken home easily for extended practice, while three-dimensional manipulatives must generally be left at school. Now, give them a blank piece of paper with the right end folded up, so it's sticking up about an inch. The folded up right end will serve as kind of a handle to make it easier to move the paper back and forth. Say to the class, move your paper to show $5. Then demonstrate this action yourself. Say, touch the last dollar. That's dollar number 5. And then you demonstrate that yourself. Say, now take away the last dollar by covering it with your blank paper. And you demonstrate that too, of course. Say to them, how many dollars are showing now? Wait for them. They answer, 4. That's right. Well, that's the end of that problem, so cover all the dollars. Now, make a transition to print again. Say, now show this many dollars, and then you write the number. Check to make sure the students are actually all showing $8. And take away 1. Write take away 1 as you say the words. Touch the last dollar. That's the one that we're going to take away. Why do we touch the last number before taking it away? Because if you don't, some child may mistakenly try to take away dollar number 1, which can be confusing. Say, and take it away by covering it up. How many dollars do you have now? 7. That's right. Cover all the dollars and get ready for the next problem. Now, show this many dollars. Write the number, but don't say it. And do this. Write -1. Touch the last dollar. Of course, you make sure that they do it. Take it away by covering it up. Watch to make sure that they do that too. You always watch your students like a hawk, making sure that every single student follows your directions exactly. That way they won't fall behind. How many dollars do you have now? 3. That's right. Let me write down what you said. And you write equals 3. So you're telling me that 4 take away 1 equals 3. And you point to the equal sign when you say the word equals. Cover all the dollars and get ready for the next problem. Now, show this many dollars, and you write the new number. And do this, you write -1. How many dollars do you have now? 8, that's right. Let me write down what you said. You write down equals 8. So is this right? 9 take away 1 equals 8? Let's say the answer together, everybody. 9 take away 1 equals 8. Cover your dollars and get ready for something new. Now, I'll write another problem on the board, and I'll call on someone to come up and write the answer on the board. Move your paper to show this many dollars, and do this. If you can show me how to solve this problem with your dollars page, I'll let you come up and write the answer. Now call on a student. Do this a few times so that several students have the opportunity to show what they can do. Now, get a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to write a lot of problems on the board. You copy the problems on your paper, then use your dollar page to figure out the answers. Then write the answers. I'll walk around and see how you're doing. If you need help, I'll help you. If you need some trickier problems, I'll make some up for you. The students now understand one of the main concepts of subtraction, taking away, and one way to write it. This is enough to begin with. Taking away 1 will lead to taking away 2, and the students are also ready to differentiate between subtracting and adding. 3 minus 1, 3 plus 1, 8 minus 1, 8 plus 1, and so on. They're also ready for you to make up word problems for them to solve, such as Maria had $6. Show that on your paper, everybody. Then she gave $1 to her brother. How many dollars did she have then? These lessons are presented in a child-friendly manner in Chapter 5 of my new kindergarten math book. And they're also introduced on page 17 of Adding and Subtracting in my Discover the Basics math series. You can find my books on our website, masterylearningsystems.com. You can also buy chapters from my kindergarten math book on this website, teacherspayteachers.com. Thanks for watching. And please share these ideas with other people that can benefit from them.